Why is the fire not lit, Rob?
Wet.
Surprise guest, Rob. Rob, have you ever been on the channel?
No, I don't think so.
New character unlocked for those who don't know. Oh my God, Dagno, you almost burnt your face. What did you tell me today before when you saw my black car?
Oh, when I found it.
Who found it?
I did.
Thank you, Rob.
Rob's a plug. Yeah, right.
I don't know why.
Rob did send it to me.
Dude, Rob used to send me stuff all the time. He knew people. He's connected.
That was random.
Donald, both of his fucking cylinders.
Yeah, Mike actually is the reason I have my white one. Unless you sent him that one too. You didn't? Or
Back
affordable.
when Sylvia's could be affordable, they were affordable.
They were
I think
affordable.
that car was listed for 7.
No. Like $4,000.
Ah, way off.
I think it was 47. What did I get it for? 47?
I think you paid 42 for it. Yeah, I remember the blue one.
Rob's like an elephant. You remember everything. Cheers, Rob.
Cheers.
Happy 4th of July.
You got competition.
Who? Redford? Yeah. Redford's talking that shit. You better be careful drinking that. Can you open mine, please? Can I have that one? The fuck? Mike reminds me every time I come here how badly I need a freaking Sima.
Could've got you one cheap multiple times, but you don't listen to my
I
rhyme.
don't got the money for that.
You got the money. Out of here.
I don't got the money for it. How much are they now? Not too bad. 6. They're like.
I'm not. I can't dispose that on camera.
Oh, 6 to 10.
Yeah,
6 to 10.
I can get you one here for 6 to 10 all day.
Right. It needs to be a Gran Turismo. I don't want the V8. I don't want that.
The Gran Turismos are a little more. They pop up from time to time. I can still get them.
How big this thing was.
Rob, this. If you want to get a car, this would be it. Oh, don't do that then.
This one's wood too.
Oh, this one's not. Dude.
Don't step on that right here.
Oh, there's all water on the top of the spark car. That was a terrible idea. That was disappointing.
Yeah. What up?
New day. Dean is in the building. Dean, we got a special surprise guest coming for you. He's been dying to meet you.
Let's go.
I'm trying to figure out what's damn spark plugs in this dirt bike.
Oh, you should change that.
You do research, everything comes up till 2020.
Yeah, but it's the same
I
shit.
know it's the same
It's
shit.
the same
I'm just
shit.
curious.
You haven't put a plug in this thing yet.
No, I haven't.
What are we playing, Dean?
Playing Forza.
Can I play first?
Yeah, of course.
No, I'm just kidding. You can play. All right, Dean, they're all ripping out there, and Anthony brought his PW here the other day. So Dean says he misses driving a 2-stroke. We got a 2-stroke for him. Here, surprise guest. Ah, look at the merch. Where'd you get that?
It's Tom's.
Really?
Yeah, wow.
Good shirt. You like the shirt?
Absolutely.
Good quality?
Absolutely.
Dean, we gotta get you some merch. You know what I mean?
Anthony won't mind.
Brian gets over. He's got Brian's over. Dean on the 2-stroke. So good, Dean. No, it's not. It's. You want to go see Jimmy's car getting dynoed?
Yes, sir.
Let's go do it. Dagnell's out here trying to MacGyver the AC unit. There's a giant nest in here, which is probably why the AC has not worked. They also chewed through a wire. Is the breaker off? Because the AC stopped working in the shop, and it is hot today, so we kind of might need to fix it. Because Dean is fucking hot out here, and Rob's hot. It's so poor. Let's go to the dyno, Dean. Drive the boat.
I'm driving the boat.
Dean, we're back here,
Yes,
baby.
we are.
Dean's baked beans, baby.
How do I put that back?
This?
Yeah.
Rob, oh my, it's the
No, that,
easiest
yeah.
car to
How do I put
operate.
this back?
Just get in. Have you ever drove a car before?
Yeah.
Easy car to operate. It's a 96 Honda Civic. They don't make it any easier than this.
Does it got power steering?
Yes, and ice cold AC. Here you go, Rob. Bang it right. Watch the damn curbs, Rob. Yeah, good idea, dude.
Yes, sir.
Good idea.
Good idea.
Rob, how do you like it?
I like it a lot.
Your head clearance is minimal, but Dean loves it. Take this left, Rob, at some power, dude.
Yes, she does.
Drew, get my boy right. Dean, what flavor we want today? Come here. Gotta get Dean something.
Dean, I might have one in the back for you.
Oh my god.
Which one you picking, Dean? Come on, let's see what you feeling.
Which one's she?
Look around.
Oh, no.
The 4 Honda, you can never go wrong with one of them. Come on, Dean. Yep.
Oh, we got a lot of nice ones.
What are we feeling? Side by side, Grom, little bike.
I don't know. I'm
Pick
lost.
pick one.
This is sick. I don't know. I'm lost.
You're lost. Got Groms. You know what that is, Dean?
I don't know what that is.
You had one.
Oh, is this a KX100?
I believe it is. Drew, is this the one Hundo?
Yeah.
Yup.
Dean, that's she, ain't it? That's the old one, I'm pretty sure. The Dean machine. KX100, I might have to blast. Really might have to. Baltimore beaters, he's ready. Pose with it, Dean.
Look at he always got the hands down, yeah? And get in the frame a little, let's see.
Run the city, pick your best five. How the fuck you bustin' Richard down west side? How much?
We gotta get Dean a bike soon. I don't know which one he would choose, which one we should get him. We gotta test a few different things. There's more.
Time off a lot of people like, oh yeah, yours are fixed.
Dean, you can lick the bottom of that frame. You can eat off that. Ooh. I don't think I ever showed Drew's collection. This is a little bit of it.
Couple of them.
Uh-huh. Yo,
Seven,
no.
seven.
No?
It's not really that.
Dean, so the people want to know.
Yeah, X100.
Really? No hezzy on that answer. What's the price on this one?
Dean price, I got a blast. Work out a payment plan.
Let's get him right. Dean, I could see you on this with the pink too. We'll get you some
Is that your number too? 109?
Tech 7s.
109? That's your
I like
number?
it.
Yeah.
Do a burnout. Rev it and throw it into drive. He comes to a stop.
I'm getting nervous.
No reason to be nervous. It's not that cool. It does it and then it doesn't do it.
Reverse, so now I just rev it.
Yeah, okay, now neutral. Rev it. Now,
He's done.
go ahead. It's not exciting, Rob.
I don't know. I'm just doing it.
One more, Rob. Hit the brake! Oh my God. Dude, park the damn car, Rob. Oh my God. You are a fool. Park it. He thinks it's funny. Oh my God. Let me park it. Let me park the car. Rob almost totaled my Civic and he blew the brake line, as you can see. So we gotta get a brake line.
We can't fully
at
blame him,
O'Reilly's.
but you know,
No,
we're gonna
we can't-
blame him.
We can't fully blame him, but we're gonna blame him. Dean, what do you think of this Mickey Mousery?
Dude, it's so sad.
It is.
I know, I'm so
Did you see he almost crashed my car?
Dude, your car would have been in big trouble.
Oh my God. Let's go, Dean. Back from the parts store. Got a new brake line.
Sorry.
Dean, right?
Approved?
Hell
I
yeah.
broke the brake line with my heavy ass foot. Sorry, guys.
Size 20 foot. He slammed it, he popped it. But we went one part store, they didn't have it. Drove 20 minutes, had to go to another part store. They had it. Anyways, it's back. This is off an Integra. Same. But we'll have brakes here momentarily. Easy fix. And Rob cleaned my wheel. It's perfect.
I cleaned the ones.
Nice and clean. It was black. It was filthy. All right, so Rob blew my brake line. Almost totaled my Civic. Fix. It's better. Yeah, it's so bad.
Blame it on him.
It wasn't his fault. He doesn't have a driver's license.
Oh, he was driving it?
Yeah, he was trying to do a burnout in it, and he was like rolling back.
And the Civic? Yeah. The brakes are crazy on that.
Yeah, he blew a brake line.
Oh.
It's fixed though. Got to chill with Dean. It was a good day, but tomorrow, we'll pick back up on things because we are going to my buddy Ed's house. Little 4th of July barbecue, which I'm looking forward to. Pit bikes, he has a bunch of land. So let's just pull into Ed's house and we'll pick up on it there. All right, well I got here bright and early today. Washed my car, you know, 4th of July, take it out for a little cruise. And look at this guy, bro.
Feels great.
It feels great, but not great to drive in. Yeah.
Sucking up to the sky.
It's
right
nice. It's like we have vents under our feet. Wash the car for no reason.
It needed to be done.
In the dim now?
Smoked it with the acetylene torch.
At least it's cleaned, I guess. Got the pit bike floated. For what?
We unload the pig bikes later. If it's raining, we're back in the truck.
TE's bronze tint.
I found a set of tees for sale on Facebook. Let's go for that.
Do it. Oh, it's raining. I gotta move.
Here. No, we go back. I think we better.
That was big.
She's safe. She's safe.
Close. So close. Looking forward to driving it. I haven't driven in a while.
Should have drove the SAT.
It always rains on my parade. Happy 4th of July. It's a beautiful day here in Connecticut. Got the dirt bikes loaded up. It's gonna be a nice dry day. I can't wait. Good day for a party.
Hey guys, it's Grubby, and today we're at Ed's Cookout.
It's a little delayed.
Look at the roosters.
We're gonna go see cows.
I don't know what's going on.
Look at the chicken. Did he just lay that egg right there?
Oh my god.
Did he? Watch out! Dude! Laid an egg.
It's chalk.
Get him.
Get him!
Yes! You got him. I got that. Hello. I think we're gonna go riding momentarily and we're gonna see where the cows are accessible to get to, because my goal today is to ride a cow. Why not? They're not fast. They're not
Big. How are you gonna get up on that?
bareback them.
Picking me up?
Let's go down there where they all are.
Alright.
Excuse us. What's up, buddy?
Yeah.
That's sick.
Be a good cattle herder.
Anthony's gonna spook him.
Yeah, see, right here. Dude, stop fucking with the cows.
The cows don't like it.
No, do they seem like they like it?
An exercise.
Oh, dude.
That's interesting. This sucked. Roll this thing down the mountain. How does this get here? Sick view though. It's a big clip that way. What do we got in this thing? Duck! What?
Oh my god! Wait, she wants to.
Oh my god.
Got it perfect.
Wait.
Cross off, you're totally welcome to.
No, I'm just
I have different shoes. But I'm just saying.
These are Darren's fans.
Just grass.
That ain't grass.
Just shit.
That is just grass and shit.
Do you guys have fun?
God damn.
Sick out there.
What's that noise?
It's like Brian's too
hear
pop.
that peacock?
I hit a land
Mine, I already know. That happened to me before.
I didn't even know it.
On the quad, bro. I got a picture of it on my Facebook. Brand new
Steve, let me see those
Jordans,
feet.
Polo.
I had the high top shit kickers. Please don't put it on my bike. I will throw up. Please don't do that.
That's tough.
Perfect.
That's tough.
Hello.
I do like the new songs that are playing.
Update, we're here. Brian's fixing his tube on his bicycle because he popped it in the woods. Y'all ride, rim locks are key. The little cow shit on the right side? Big bottle. Jesse, take a hit of that. Thank you, Ed, for the party, by the way. What do you need? You want to take a sip? Yeah, okay. Yes.
312.
All right, let me check. Take a taste. Yummy. Ed's property is beautiful, and
There's peacocks.
peacocks, which we haven't shown. We've shown the chickens, ducks, geese. There's all kinds of stuff.
We gotta show the chickens.
It's like the Noah's Ark.
It's like Noah's Ark. Yeah, got stuck somewhere. I think we're coming back soon, and me and Darren are gonna have a little fish off because he has hogs in the pond.
There's hogs in there. We've seen them.
15-pound hogs.
No, I had two 14s.
Looking for the hole?
We're gonna go catch a hog
Get on the back of mine, dude.
with a Barbie pole. You got that?
Is it in here?
Uh-huh. Is that a pig?
Don't run my phone over.
Is that a pig? Oh my god, the peacock's on the...
Oh my god.
That's a pig! Look at the fucking pigs! Oh.
What's up, buddy?
No, it's okay. I think we could. Look at the peacock on the roof, like what?
Because they're not there.
Saying help.
Hello! Wilbur! Hello!
Oh my god.
Hello!
Hey, buddies.
Let me see the teeth.
Look at his teeth.
Let me see the teeth.
Teeth check. Teeth check. So good. I know. You're such a good boy.
Geez, they're having sex in the back.
Bull won't. No way.
All the cows are making money.
This is like the Vice episode, but the person was the
I might
one
go swimming.
thing that would make this nice. Darren's swimming across it.
I'll do it for something. Do my rod, inspect the rod.
And you go.
There's fish in here.
I know.
Kid, never been fished before. No public water here. This is a private pond.
Private property.
Yeah, and even if you knew where it was, you wouldn't know.
You wore your other shoes.
I don't want to put them back on. Get poop on them.
It might do too. We made it. Oh my god. I just stepped in shit.
Baby.
That's,
Oh my god.
that's so fucked. It's so bad. We come in peace. Jumping in the river, in the lake if they charge me. So big, oh my god. I don't know if this is stupid or not.
Oh, look at this baby. Shit.
Oh.
You hear that?
Oh, there's no reason to run. There's no reason to run. Cows were so afraid. Buddy, you're 10 times 100 times my weight. I'm the one scared here. He's huge. Oh my god, that stinks so bad. Oh my, and two. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
He's trying to.
There's llamas.
Where's our llamas? Oh, it is a donkey. Fuck the cows.
Fuck the cow.
I thought cows were like cool, inviting, you could walk up to them. Now they don't like people like that.
Hi, honey.
He looks nuts. What are they saying? Someone's calling me. I think Darren caught 2 fish already. He said he was gonna catch another one, but we'll see. So good, so good.
I know. I love him. Little girly. You are so friendly. A lot meaner than like other breeds.
buddies.
Like a girl. This is the bull. So this is the guy.
Pond side.
Good sized pond, that's all I'm gonna say.
Darren got two of them already?
2 largemouth, probably like a pound. The second one maybe a little bit more, pound and a half.
Oh! No!
Because you can't hook set with this thing. This thing is
Anthony, does this remind you of Puerto Rico?
Not at all. Let it go down.
Yeah. You're telling me. I already caught 2.
Bro, he's gonna get stuck.
Or Jim, I'm
It's a weedless setup. Weedless. You're not gonna tell me, Anthony. It's weedless. It's designed to go at the bottom, drag it up, no weeds.
That's what my pole got stuck on one time was the
Yeah,
algae.
you don't have it weedless.
You see, she knows.
Got a big catch.
Oh, he's fighting, Darren. Oh my god. Dude, why can't you bring him in?
I don't like bringing in small ones.
He wasn't that small.
Outside.
I didn't think it was that small either.
It was small.
Anthony, how big was that one? Pulled up, he's throwing boulders in the lake. Let's see what you do.
Style.
Fish, goodbye. Hank, you're a menace. You know that, Hank? What do you got in there, juice? I got juice too. Cheers. Can I get a cheers? Yes, sir. Catch a hog, Sammy. Hog. Treat her good, Sammy.
Save the trees.
Just don't put it in the lake.
We're not gonna
Italy?
do anything you wouldn't
We're not
do.
going to Italy. I go up that hill, I think.
Go ahead.
Okay.
If you get to it.
Okay.
Taste.
Which key is it? They all look really.
It's the long one.
Okay.
No seatbelts. No seatbelt.
Some of us need them.
You crash in this thing with or without a seatbelt, you're dead regardless.
It's got
Oh my god. They're on the hill. Look at it, right there. Well, Darren caught fish, we just didn't see it, but we're gonna go mountain climbing.
It's scraping.
Bigger wheels, where we might not.
You okay back there, Mick?
Oh, he's so soaked. Darren is so wet. Hold up. Oh, look at all the cows.
Oh no, the cows are
Dude,
out.
let me see you.
I forgot that hole. I saw it last night. I was like, if I break, I'm gonna fall in the water.
Go in front of the van. Go in front of the van. There's fucking cows. Come in front of the van.
A puddle that deep and big on a pit bike.
Damn.
Yeah, this is bad. Finally out.
Well, there goes Mick, patting a cow.
It's okay. Let them come to you.
Get in the car.
Come on, DJ, seriously. Good driving.
Thanks, bud.
Swim?
Ready
No.
to go.
You wanna go home?
No.
Go.
Darren hit the gnarliest puddle.
That's not even a puddle. That's a pond in the middle
It
of the
is.
road.
It is kind of gnarly.
It was bad. I washed the bike though for Sammy.
No, you didn't.
Wash.
This thing's filthy now.
Yeah, just clean the front end.
Go home a detail.
Alright, so we just got back.
Just got back to the shop. Shout out Ed. Ed has a phenomenal piece of property. Ed is a multi-millionaire. He wants us to go back to his estate.
We're gonna go fishing in the
We're
pond.
gonna go fishing. Anthony, it reminded Anthony of fucking Puerto Rico. 46. I'm hoping to find a parts car to kind of get the whole front end off of another car. Expensive.
So if anyone has any links to a part out
Any links?
E46 hole,
I will travel. I will go pick that shit up. depending on how far it is. I'll drive a good amount to go get it. But I think that's the best case scenario. July, a little banger, you know what I mean? It was a good time. Shout out to Ed. It's gonna rain the whole time, so
Dynamite
I mean.
Dean.
Dynamite Dean.
Kid, all I know is I almost died today. In that water.
5,000 likes and we'll do something nuts in the next one. I promise I won't disappoint. So stay tuned and yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one.